Here we have a 2016 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Estoril blue metallic exterior paintwork and performance kit, black kidney grills, and coming around to this corner you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel. We've got the black wing mirrors, colour-coded door handles, and performance decals at the bottom there, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. You've then got your third alloy wheel, again excellent condition, spoiler lip at the rear. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, quad exit exhaust tips, 2 on either side. And there's a look at that rear end. Now coming around to the corner you'll notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Quick look at the interior. Full leather interior, 2 seats in the rear. We've got the blue accents on the sides with the integrated speakers. There's a look at the front seats there as well. Now these seats are electrically adjustable as well as being heated. We've got our Harman Kardon sound system just there as well. Electric wing mirror control with electric window control. There's a look at those electrical adjustments for the seats. The driver's seat is memory functioned as well. Auto lights, we've got features like cruise control, speed limiter, paddle shifters on the steering wheel just there. Plenty of great features inside here. Now, the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 435D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you'd expect. Starting off, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press in the cruise control button, push up on the trigger just here, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed with that same trigger by increments of 1 or to the nearest 5, and then to deactivate we can either apply pressure to the brakes or press that cruise control button yet again. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, and into 2nd as we approach the roundabout. And as you can see through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we've got a good amount of performance in this vehicle as well, which is definitely worth talking about. Just over 300 brake horsepower, around 308 from factory. You'll reach 0 to 60 in around 4.7 seconds. So this is certainly no slouch. And with having the XDRIVE system as well, you can reach speeds with confidence. The back end's not going to be out everywhere, and you'll be good in most weather conditions as well. So that's a great feature. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We're a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We post on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake, put the vehicle into reverse and then drive over a speed bump as well. So turning in now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes, no problems at all. We've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors on the screen just there. And the last test for the car is driving over the speed bump now, so listen out for any knocks or any bangs. There we go, completely free from any unwanted sounds throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in our video online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.